Yeah, so today we're going to talk about success. And before we start, I'm really curious about your country and how the common definition of what is the common definition of success for your country?
Mm, um, I think our country has no differentiate differences from European maybe because a lot of people measure success with money and they compare with money.
Yes.
Success. Yeah.
Yeah.
It is a little bit sadly, but I think it is natural because, of course, it comes from previous centuries.
Yes.
That when people
and you have to admit that money does bring some level of freedom.
Yeah,
Or,
yeah.
I
That's true.
mean, there is
That's
something
true.
about money. We have a saying in English, money doesn't buy happiness. But I say, try me.
Yeah.
Give me, I'll show you. You give me money, I will show you I can be happy.
Yeah,
But
that's true.
yeah, I think it's the same in the United States. And I think part of it is that money is measurable. Happiness, for example, it's hard to measure it.
Yeah, that's true.
Or kindness, or caring for others, or empathy. Pretty hard to measure.
But happiness is how to say happiness. Let me know the word. Sorry, I forgot how. Available. It is so easy, but I forgot. Happiness is available for everybody. For everybody.
Yeah, it's available to everyone. Yeah.
Yeah, to everyone. It doesn't matter. Do you have you money or not?
Yeah.
You have money or not? But it is easy to be happy, but you should know how to use it. Should know how to use it.
Yeah,
Really.
that's a good point. I'll open up this the video that we talked about. What did you think about the video?
Oh, that's good, and that's interesting video, short video. And
one thing I wanted to show you, I think you probably already know this, but maybe some other people don't. And that
I will watch it with great pleasure.
and if you
Not once.
here on these three dots, you can open the transcript. And I think that's really nice to be able to see
I use it. I use it a lot every day.
Yeah, I just discovered it. Maybe you told me about it. I don't know. But I think it's great. But we can just glance at that. I don't think we have to watch the video necessarily. They can do that themselves. But hey, why don't you read the first couple sentences here? We don't need the video. We have you.
Okay. Good. Sounds good. Please put aside. Sorry. Let me start.
Sure.
In our societies, we use the word success a lot, and we think we know just what it means: money, status, fame, and power. I should go on, or we
Keep going. Yeah, one more.
But take a look in the dictionary and things start to look, thankfully, a lot more complicated. Because success is the truth. Because success is, in truth, rather more neutral and less value-laden than we tend to assume. It just means doing anything well, excellent at something, and that might encompass a lot of different activity. Running 10 meters for sure, selling you up for a lot of money, okay.
Yeah,
A lot of money.
I mean, it's not to say that selling your app for a lot of money, I mean, that is a sign of success, but it's not the only success. Tell me, what would you consider has been a success in your life that is not money related?
Sorry, I didn't catch enough.
Well,
what we should consider success?
Well, no, what is something in your life that you consider a success?
In my personal life?
Yeah, that's not related to money.
That time when I understood that in my state, my health state, it is so how to say unrealistic to be rich, to become a millionaire.
Yes.
So I decided to focus on self-development.
Yes.
And so I decided to go another way, and to grow up my inner soul and my kindness, my love to people. And so I started to consider this path as a success. So I divided, for example, on the English learning example, I divided this my studying way, for small parts, and so I moving from one part to another, and so every point is success for me, small success for me. And when I look back, it is obvious to see what a long way I passed, and really it is a wonderful feeling, and so it makes me happy.
That's great. Did your friends and family notice a difference in you when you made this decision?
Yeah, of course. Obviously.
Good.
Of course.
Yeah.
That's because of course I am how to say, I'm necessary for I need for their help. That's because I understand that it is not easy to take care about me. And so I decided to make their life a little easier for them. I'm trying to help them. I always say to my wife, I love you. How you are beautiful. Thank you very much for breakfast. Thanks for your tasty lunch. It is wonderful. She's happy, and I'm happy in return, of course.
Yeah, yeah. Well, for myself, when I think about success, I don't think that I'll ever be rich or famous or powerful. I don't think so. But one thing that I think I have been successful at is I raised 3 children who are
Wow.
good citizens in the world.
Yeah,
And
that's,
yeah,
I think for a woman to grow children, it is the best success of life,
well,
the best success.
well, and yeah, yes, and they have a father too. But I think that my role as mother was impactful for them, and I'm happy with who they are as adults.
Oh, I am very glad for you.
I mean, we're not perfect, but I'm glad for the way they treat people, you know, and even for their idea of success. So we'll pat myself on the back a little bit.
Yeah, I understand you, really.
Yeah,
I'm very glad for you.
yeah.
That's what needs for parents. The main, it is their children be happy.
Really, we want our children to be happy and healthy.
Yeah, yeah,
Healthy in their
that's true.
minds, healthy in their bodies,
Yeah,
healthy in their choices.
absolutely.
And that's all